morning, children. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to talk about adjectives. So let's start. So children, what is an adjective? In order to know what an adjective is, you have to understand what a noun is. And you already know that nouns are also called as naming words. The words that we use for naming people, places, animals and things are nouns. So we can also say that a noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. So children, here is where adjectives come in. Adjectives describe nouns. They tell us more about nouns. So let's take some examples. So a doctor, a bookstore and a desk. So doctor is a person, bookstore is a place and desk is a thing. So let's give some adjectives to them. So for the doctor, I have used intelligent and helpful. So for the bookstore, I have used crowded and fancy. And for the desk, the adjectives used to describe the desk are clean and high. So the adjectives intelligent, helpful, crowded, fancy, clean, high describe the nouns doctor, bookstore and desk. So children, remember, adjectives are words that tell us more about nouns. They describe nouns. Now children, let's give some adjectives to these girls. So can you see the girls in the picture? How do they look? Do they look happy? Yes, they look very happy. You can make out from their smiling faces. So the adjective which I have used for these girls are happy. And children, do they look clean? No, they don't look clean. They look really messy. So the adjectives which I have used for these girls are happy and messy. Let's look at the other picture. Oh, it's a toy. And how does it look? It looks really angry. And children, is the toy big or tiny? Yes, the toy is tiny. So the adjectives used to describe this toy are angry and tiny. Let's look at the other picture. Wow, it's a beautiful garden and it is very colorful. Yes, children. So the two adjectives which I have used to describe this garden are beautiful and colorful. Now let's move on to our other picture. Oh, it's a lion and I'm scared. Yes, children, is it a scary lion? Yes, it's very scary and it is very strong also. So the adjectives which I have used for this lion are strong and scary. So children, now you understand that adjectives are words that tell us more about nouns. They describe nouns. We know more about nouns by giving adjectives to the nouns. So children, remember again, adjectives are words that tell us more about nouns. So have a nice day and enjoy yourself.